Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do taste test for Mallika mango. So this is our homegrown mango and this is the first mango we got, and for this year we only got one mango, and we cut it on Sunday, like 5 days ago. We cut it when the mango is almost green in color but it started getting yellow at the bottom. So that's when we cut it, and then we have kept it on counter to get it ripened. We wanted to get it completely yellow, but as you can see, small spots started coming on the mango, so we are afraid that it might spoil. So we thought, why not cut it now and taste. So we don't know how it tastes. This is our first time trying this variety, but I have heard on online reviews that it tastes sweet. So I have washed it well, so let's cut it and taste it. And I have my husband here so that you can get review from him also. So are you excited? So we got this plant from Home Depot, I think almost 1.5 years back. The variety name is Mallika. So it looks amazing and it smells amazing too. Let me show clearly. It has beautiful yellow color and it looks amazing. Let me adjust the brightness. So I have adjusted the brightness. Look at this beautiful color. It smells amazing too. Smells like the mangoes we get from India, right? This is a hybrid of two different varieties. I think Neelam and Dasari, I don't know, but I'll put a link in the description box below where you can find the details about the mango. Let's taste.
Nothing first.
We'll both eat at the same time. Ready? It's so sweet, guys. It's amazing. This is perfect.
I think we cut it at the
right time. Yeah. You guys know Atolfo or Hayden mangoes compares to this. This is amazing.
Talk about
Really? My husband is saying that he is eating the peel also. So good. And this is a really big fruit, guys. This is almost 1000 grams, 2.2 pounds. Yeah, really big fruit. We only got one fruit, but the plant is really small. Maybe I'll put a clip at the beginning of the video or at the end of the video so you can see the height of the plant. But it's delicious. So definitely, if you are in the market to buy a mango plant, definitely recommend this variety. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. So if you are an Indian, you might know the variety Banginapalli. It's more common in Andhra state, southern part of India. It tastes like that. It's like really awesome, and if this plant survives the mild winters that we get here in Houston, Texas, then it would be awesome. I think we will get more fruit in the coming years, and Yeah, we are so excited and glad we did this taste test because I have seen couple of videos on YouTube about this Mallika mango, but I think they are doing taste test for a different mango and calling them Mallika, because Mallika mango has an elongated shape. It is not short. These mangoes are usually elongated and long. So they are trying a different mango and saying that it's Mallika, but this is Mallika for sure because on the plant we have the tag, and it's amazing, and it survives up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's amazing because in Houston we only get mild winters. We rarely get freezing temperatures, right?
Yeah.
So it's perfect. You liked it?
Yeah.
How many stars will you give for this?
5 stars.
Yeah, I'll give like 10 out of 5. So we are really happy, and since it was little bit green on the outside, we thought it will be little bit sour,
But it's not.
but it is completely sweet and the flavor is amazing. We both grew up in India, so the nostalgic Indian mangoes that
And especially because of Corona, we couldn't get any Indian mangoes this year. So
yeah, usually here in US, grocery stores ship Indian mangoes from India to here. So usually we buy them. They are expensive, like $30 a box, but we usually buy them and enjoy the taste from India. But this year we didn't get those mangoes due to coronavirus, but we are so lucky we got one big mango and we are going to eat this down. I will stop talking and hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for all the notifications, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all the updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Say bye.
bye.
Bye.